Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Mink V2. First, ensure your character is at least level 850. You must also currently be a Mink race user. Finally, make sure you have completed Bartillo's quest, which is a prerequisite for starting the upgrade process. Once you meet the initial requirements, head to the green zone and locate the alchemist. He will assign you a quest to find 3 distinct flowers: red, yellow, and blue. The red flower appears during the day in places like the Kingdom of Rose or the Green Zone. Gathering these is a crucial step. For the yellow flower, you'll need to defeat various non-player characters, as it drops randomly from them. The blue flower is a bit trickier, only appearing at night in locations such as the graveyard or a small island nearby. Once you have all 3 flowers, return to the alchemist in the green zone to proceed with your upgrade. After presenting the flowers, the alchemist will ask for a payment of 500,000 Bali to complete your Mink V2 upgrade. Once paid, you'll immediately experience a significant boost in movement speed and an enhanced dash distance. Your dash energy cost will also be reduced. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to elevate your environment while you play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.